Yeah, good morning, students. So, today we will study class 4 English literature. We will study class 4 English literature. We had started Little Benjamin. So, last two videos we have studied some part of it. Today we will study the next page, that is page 62. Okay, this is page 62. So, we had completed here. A baby exclaimed, Father Golden, Mother Golden lifted the child out. Okay, so from the basket now Father Golden and Mother Golden, what did they do? They lifted the baby out of the basket. So here we go. The baby stopped crying and looked up in her face. My heart, said Mother Golden again. Come here, girls. The girls bent forward eagerly. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. They are like pink shells, only soft. Oh, see, it moves, Ruth. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight. So, here what happens? The baby stopped crying and looked up in her face. So, the little baby, one who was in the basket, it was crying. So when they removed the baby out of the basket, the baby, what did it do? It stopped crying. It stopped crying and it looked at Mother Golden's face. Then my heart, said Mother Golden again. The Mother Golden is loving this child, saying that my heart, come here, girls, is calling to her girls. The girls bent forward eagerly, and the little girls also came to see this small baby. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. Among the girls, there was a girl called Mary. Her name is Mary. She told that, look at its little hand. Look at the baby's small hands. They are like pink cells, only soft, and the little hands are looking like pink cells, pink color cells, and they are very soft. Oh, see, it moves, Ruth. And Ruth also is telling that, look at her hands are moving. The baby's hands are moving. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight, and with so much happiness, she catches her sister's hand. Then, oh mother, may we keep it? Cried both girls at once. So, both the girls, Mary and Ruth, they are telling to her mother that we will keep this child for us. We will keep this baby in our home. Then Mother Golden was examining the baby's clothes. Then what did Mother Golden do? She was looking at baby's clothes. Then here's a note. Then what did they do? They find a small note in that clothes or in that basket. So what was written there? She opened a folded paper and read a few words written in a rough hand. So what did she do? She removed the paper. She took the note and she read what was written in that paper. There were some few words, some sentences were there. What was written there? She read. Then his mother is dead. His father is a waster. So it was written on that paper that his mother is dead and his father is a waster. Means this little baby's mother has already died and her father is a waster. Means he is not a good man. It's boy, then said Father Golden. He came forward to have a look. So Father Golden is telling that this baby is a baby boy, said father. He came forward to have a look, and he also comes forward to see the small little baby. Then what happened? The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? So Father Golden is telling that what shall we do with this small baby? There are places like orphanages around. You've already got 5 children to take care of. Father Golden is telling to mother that there are so many orphanages around us, near our places, there are so many orphanages. Orphanages means where the children are kept. The children, those who do not have parents. Those children who are not cared by their parents, they are kept in the orphanage. Okay, अनाथ आश्रम जो बोलते हैं. Okay, they are kept in the orphanages. So you already got 5 children to take care of. Mother Golden is having 5 children. So father is telling that we already have 5 children to look after. So we can keep this child in the orphanage. Then what happened? So could I, said 12 years old Ruth, we would take turns, Mary and I. Do let's keep him, mother. So Ruth is telling that no need to keep him in the orphanage. We can look after him in our house. So sometimes Mary can look after, and sometimes Ruth also can look after the child, because Ruth is already how many years old? 12 years old. Do let's keep him, mother. They are telling mother that we will keep the boy in our home. Then what happened? In 5 minutes, Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. So within the 5 minutes, after 5 minutes, Mother Golden brought milk and they warmed it and they were feeding with a spoon. They are feeding the baby milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee and watched the process with eager eyes. So Mother Golden had some boys also. So they were sitting around, kneeling down and watching how mother is feeding the small baby. Then see him grab the spoon. My, isn't he strong? Can he talk, mother? They are asking him. Look at the baby. He is taking away the spoon. He is grabbing the spoon. Maybe he is really strong. So can he talk? They are asking that can he talk or can he speak? Then Joseph, you chuckled head, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most things. How can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? So Adam was already how many years old? 16 years old. And they had another boy called Joseph. So Joseph chuckled his head, means he shaked his head and he is telling that do you not see that this baby has no teeth? So how can he speak or how can he talk? So we will stop here and we will study the next part of the lesson in the next video. Okay, so you have to read the book again and again in your homework. Okay, so thank you so much and have a joyful day.